Hello and welcome. This is Explain That and this is how to get your story mode on TikTok. So just stop and hold on to your TikTok first and then tap on the clear data, then tap on clear sash. This will help prevent you from being unupdated. And after that, just tap on the app again and go to your profile section, tap on the try bar, and then tap on settings and privacy. After that, scroll down till you see a report a problem. Or you can just log out again and re-log back in. So after that, just tap on the free app space, then tap on the clear sash there if you don't have access to the app info before or earlier. And after that, you can just submit a report of problem, submit a report, and be sure to be detailed throughout the whole text. And be sure to attach one. And after that, if you still don't have the story mode, just reinstall back again, uninstall and install back again the TikTok, and that should pretty much fix the problem or even update one. That's about it. Wait for it to load out and it should be good to go.